Hi guys, so today I'm starting with an art graph block. These are water soluble and I'm just using them to get rid of that blank page. Yeah, well, so here you see me painting over those art graph marks I made, and I'm using some water on them, and I'm getting this really nice green color from it. I'm really liking the way the gesso that I added to the page is like softening all those harsh and hard lines and kind of bringing this page together. Yeah, I kind of decided that I would go for something different today, so I decided to go with two complementary colors. So you have the blue and the orange, and the green and the pink. I'm also thinking about bringing in some brown, so we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, so just creating a few marks with the Stabilo Woody. I'm using, I think, brown and blue for this. Yeah, well, I think this brown is like really muddy, so I just decide to dry it off again. And that's one of the good things when you do art like this, is that you could just get a paper towel and dry things off that you don't like. I love this orange but I think these three spots are like competing with each other, so I decide to try and soften parts of them, and I'm doing that with gesso. So. At this point, I'm thinking this is kind of gloomy and it really needs something, so I add this light blue, and I just love the way it brightens up the whole painting. I decide to just leave this piece now because I really don't want to overwork anything. I like it the way it is. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and don't forget to subscribe, and please leave me a comment because I love reading your comments. Alright guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.